Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the recipe of Choco lava cake. So let's get started. First we would need half cup of powdered sugar, then 2 teaspoons of room temperature butter, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 dairy milks each weighing 24 grams, half cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking powder and 3/4 cup of milk. So now I will show you how to make the molds. Take an aluminium sheet roughly in the shape of a square and fold it into folds. Then take any container with a round bottom and place the sheet on top. Then fold the corners into triangles. Fold each of the triangles in one direction. After this, fold the top part of the mold for a better grip. Repeat this process for all the other molds. Then use butter or oil and grease your molds. Then on top of a sieve add whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, and baking powder. Now sieve all of them. You can use your spatula to break up any lumps. Then out of your 3/4 cup milk, add only half cup milk to the dry ingredients and give it a mix. On low flame, melt the dairy milk on a double boiler. Then add your butter. You would notice that when you start mixing, the chocolate becomes thicker. This is exactly what we want. Add this chocolate to the batter and give it a mix. Then add the remaining 1/4 cup of milk. Keep mixing it to form the batter. You would notice that this batter is pretty liquidy. That is exactly how we want it to be. Then fill your aluminium molds with the batter. Then tap your molds to get rid of the excess air bubbles. Preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then bake the cakes for 8 minutes. They should jiggle a bit when you shake them. This means that the Choco lava cakes are ready. So there you have it, your delicious Choco lava cake. Enjoy!